There's a hidden side of the internet you can't Google. It's where secrets thrive and danger lurks. This is the dark web. The internet has layers. The surface web is what we use every day, like YouTube and Google. The deep web holds private content, like your email or banking info. But the dark web? That's the anonymous underground. You'll find anonymous chats, political activism, and whistleblowing. But also black markets, hacking tools, and stolen data. It's a place of both freedom and fear. Accessing the dark web itself isn't illegal. But what you do there can be. Always protect yourself with Tor and a VPN. People think only criminals use the dark web. But it's also used by journalists, researchers, and people in censored countries. Not all of it is evil, but much of it is risky. If you're curious, stay safe. Use the Tor browser, always connect through a VPN, and never download files or click on suspicious links. So, would you explore the dark web? Comment below. And don't forget to subscribe. The next video is about real dark web horror stories.